Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML. To begin, ensure you have a simple text editor like VS Code or Notepad++ installed on your computer. Next, open your browser to view your work. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is the foundation of all web pages. It uses tags to structure content. Let's start by creating a new file and saving it with an HTML extension to build your first page. Now, let's dive into some essential HTML elements. You'll use heading tags from H1 to H6 to define titles and subtitles, and the P tag for paragraphs of text. To make your pages more engaging, you can add images using the IMG tag and create links to other pages with the tag. We'll also cover how to make ordered and unordered lists and apply simple text formatting like bold or italic. Understanding the basic structure of an HTML document is crucial. Every page has a head section for metadata and a body section for visible content. Elements can also have attributes, which provide additional information or modify their behavior, like the src attribute for images or href for links. We'll also touch on semantic HTML, which uses meaningful tags to improve document structure and accessibility for both users and search engines. The best way to solidify your HTML knowledge is through consistent practice. Try building small, simple web pages on your own, experimenting with different tags and structures. Once you're comfortable with HTML, your next steps should involve learning CSS for styling your pages and JavaScript for adding interactivity. These three technologies work together to create dynamic and beautiful websites. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.